So the evolution of the drill press is something that we're showing off right now here at the Hamilton Woodshow that you can come and check out as well. We have Joe Brackage, who actually, Joe, you're originally from the area.
I'm originally from Hamilton, yes.
Yeah, right on. But then I've been in the States for...
Been living in Philadelphia for 23 years, 24 years now, yeah.
Welcome home.
Thank you. Glad to be here.
What did you bring with you?
Well, I've got the new Nova Voyager Drill Press, distributed in Canada by King Industrial,
okay.
And locally here with Tegs Tools.
Okay, so what is this doing? How is this different than a regular drill press?
Well, this is the first drill press with, quote-unquote, a smart motor. This is a DVR motor, which is somewhat different from a typical brushless motor. And one of the main things you can do with this is it allows us to literally program the motor to pick a drill bit, pick the size, and it then automatically, once you pick your material, will set the speed. So in this case, we've got some softwood, and then we zero it in. And now we have our speed set for the drill press, or the drill size, and the material.
Who does this target? Like, who is going to be wanting one of these?
It's not for your person who typically uses a machine once or twice a weekend. I mean, this is a little bit more involved than your typical woodworking customer. But this can cross over into MRO, your maintenance shops.
Right.
A more serious woodworker who's also incorporating different materials, because it makes picking your speeds and sizes much easier.
And how new of technology is this?
The DVR motor is actually something that the U.S. military invented many years ago. What we've done with the University of Auckland in New Zealand is come up with a software that takes advantage of what the DVR motor actually does.
Can we show how it's working?
Yeah. For example, we can. The motor literally senses what's happening at the drill bit. So we can do things like, as I said earlier, pick our drill bit, then the material, and so on and so forth. This is pre-programmed, but we can also do something like an auto start. It'll automatically start and stop, so you don't have to push the on-off button on a regular basis. You've got the ability to do a pilot hole, for example, where the machine literally starts extremely slow, so you don't have to center punch around a piece of stock, and then it picks up speed as it feels that it's cutting into the material.
There's a lot of, like, because I'm such an amateur, a lot of this stuff is going over my head, but I know there's people at home that are just like really enjoying this, and that's what the show's all about, right? You're going to be here all weekend showing off this this item that you can actually get at Tegs, and there's so many other things here to see here at the Hamilton Woodshow, which starts today at 10 o'clock, runs all weekend long. And if you do see Joe, make sure you say, "Hey, welcome back, Joe. Where you been for the past 20 years?"
Exactly. Thank you.